Hello guys, welcome to my video. We live in a digital world where all kinds of applications and streaming platforms have penetrated our lives. However, among all the platforms, which can truly satisfy the user's need while still taking care of all users' experience? Today, I'm going to dive deep into Spotify, one of the world's leading music streaming platforms, to see how it achieves usability and accessibility principles with its design. Since its establishment in 2008, Spotify has become part of the daily lives of billions of its users. Whether you are commuting, working out, or just chilling in your house, it provides music experiences at any time, at any place. However, such success does not only rely on its huge music library or its advanced recommendation algorithm, but also comes from its emphasis on user experience. Spotify's design is based on usability and accessibility, making it simple to use yet ensuring all users from different backgrounds and with different needs can access the platform easily. In this video, I'll analyze how Spotify design can improve the user experience from two usability principles: prevent errors and permit easy reversal of actions, and two accessibility principles: perceivable and operable. First of all, let's talk about the first usability principle: prevent errors. Preventing errors means the design of a system should prevent user from making wrong actions, alert users before an action occurs, or provide a simple way to recover. Then how does Spotify adhere to the principle? First is a deletion confirmation mechanism. When a user is trying to delete a playlist, Spotify will pop out a prompt asking, "Are you sure you want to delete the playlist?" and guide the users to confirm the action. Such kind of confirmation can effectively prevent user from losing important playlist content because they accidentally take the wrong action. In addition, Spotify prevents adding duplicate music. When a user is trying to add music that has already been added to the playlist, it will show this is already in your playlist and prompt you to not add the music to the playlist with the bright colored button. This can effectively prevent the user from having duplicate contents in the playlist. Next is our second usability principle: permit easy reversal of action. This means the design should provide the user with ways to recover or cancel their actions, reducing frustration. This is somehow like the principle of prevent error, but there are still differences. Prevent error focuses more on prevention, while permit easy reversal of action emphasizes the ability to reverse the action. For example, Spotify provides the recover delete playlist feature on their website for users to take their actions in 30 days, allowing the user to make up for their action if the user accidentally delete the playlist or change their mind afterward. Another notable feature is the page direction feature. When user accidentally enter another Spotify page, they can always return to the previous page by simply swiping the page to the right or clicking the back button. Spotify also supports a forward button in the desktop app to allow users to reverse the reversal of action. Now, let's talk about the accessibility principles, starting with perceivable. Perceivable means information and elements that compose the page should be able to perceived by the user, whether user is impaired visually, hearing, or in a different sense. So how does Spotify perform in this regard? Firstly, the platform is distinguishable in color. Spotify uses the color white, light gray, light green, and other bright colors for foreground elements, and uses dark gray to form the background. Such high contrast between foreground and background makes it easy for users to see what they should see and not miss anything important easily. Spotify also supports lyrics and captions for music, podcasts, and audiobooks. This is friendly to those hearing impaired users who couldn't retrieve the information from the audio to understand the platform's contents. Last but not least, operable, meaning the platform's elements and navigation should be operable. This principle includes whether it can be operated by keyboard or not, do users have enough time to operate it, and etc. Firstly, Spotify is keyboard accessible. The user can control the desktop version of Spotify simply with the tab, Shift tab, Enter, and arrow keys. This allows visually impaired users to use the platform without any barriers. On the other hand, the sleep timer is the only timer feature provided by Spotify, but it is not essential part of the event or activity presented by the content. The sleep timer function is hidden in the more option menu of music. Even if a sleep timer is set, the users can choose to stop the timer or extend the countdown time. Such design follows the criteria of timing adjustable and no timing under the guideline of enough time, reducing the user stress when using the platform. In conclusion, Spotify design fully reflects its emphasis on user experience, demonstrating a high standard in both usability and accessibility principles. In terms of usability, it provides a safe and intuitive operational experience by preventing errors and allowing easy undoing of actions, enabling users to navigate the platform more effectiveness and with less frustration. Spotify ensures equal access and use of its content for users by diverse backgrounds and needs through perceptible and operatable design. By deeply practicing these principles, Spotify has not only become a global leader in music streaming, but also a model of inclusive, user centered design. This not only attracts more users, but also sets an example for the entire industry. Hopefully, other platforms can learn from this success and contribute to creating a more inclusive and convenient digital environment. Thank you for watching this video.